Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm going to show you if the felting needle works on velvet yarn, because I was asked that question, and you know what? I don't know. I have never done it to velvet yarn, so I'm going to run my end up in here and we're going to find out together if this works on velvet yarn. That's a great question too, because I know velvet is one of the yarns that I have a problem with the end staying in on. I have noticed more often the softer, silkier yarns tend to pop out more. Okay, I'm gonna leave that end on. Grab my felting needle. Wish me luck. No, it is not working. Let's try getting it really exacting. Maybe I'll fold the yarn up. Yes, actually it does. It stopped coming through. So it does work. You just have to hit it more. It does work. And that's because velvet and chenille are they're not even really yarn. It's just like fur on a tiny little strand. So you got to make sure you get that tiny little strand, but it does work. Let's do the top. Oh, I need my needle, don't I? Oh, there's a knot in here, so I got to cut that off. That's something else you could do as well. Since this isn't really, this is like a piece of thread with fur around it. So what you could do is you could do a little knot at the end after you take it out. You know what I'm saying? Make a little knot at the end. Just right there at the end. That would help give it something to go into. The needle, the felting needle. Make sure the rest of the head's not under there. I don't want it tacking on itself crazily. That way you have a little knob that you can poke down into. I poked it down in so good I can't even see it now. I'm just going to go around it because I did weave it in up there. So yes, it does work on velvet. You just have to make sure that you are actually getting the strand that runs through the velvet. Yeah, that little thing that I made into a knot is, wait, here, is this it? That's it. I didn't know where it went. Anyway, my point was I was going to show you that you could use it to, since it is more of a substance to tack down. I don't want to poke my finger. That's why I'm trying to be careful. But you can use it as the point of where you could tack down. I am not going to hit myself with this needle. I will be so mad. So being very mindful and hitting it a lot of times will ensure that this will work on velvet. I'm going to pull this back through now that I know where it's at. Yeah, it's not cinching, it's pulling, but it's not cinching. See that? Right there. It's not cinching, but it is pulling. So velvet is a little tougher, but it can be done. You just need to hit it a lot. So I'm going to snip that end off. We don't need that end anymore. Perfect. Perfect. Thanks, guys.